Whenever a customer service rep is working with a customer to provide support to them in your association, membership, or certification-based e-commerce system, one of the biggest things they're going to be looking for support with is items that they paid for, whether it's their membership, a renewal, something with an event, or possibly a packaged membership that they've made a purchase in and they didn't get a certain thing, they don't know how to access it, etc. Your customer service reps are typically going to need access in as real time as possible to the actual purchases, or as it's shown here, the sales orders. Now, one of the big things about customer service reps is giving them access to a specific customer quickly, and then once they've identified and selected that customer properly, giving them drill down into that customer's records. Here you can see a sales order view where we can then filter for this specific selected customer, and we can see all the detailed information, including the order, the date, the status, and details around the order itself, where we can drill in and view the details of that order information. Now, this should include the detailed line items, being able to understand maybe if there was a discount applied, what the taxes were, any kind of fulfillment status, if it's a physical good or item, being able to check and track down roles and access that were assigned based on the purchase. So if it's a membership or if it's some form of association role that they're going to get, did that get applied to their account properly? And then if it did, being able to provide instructions relevant to the purchase to the CSR, so the CSR is equipped to be able to provide support to that end member or association user. Now, these are all aspects that may vary in how important they are for your organization. And the point in bringing these up is to get you to be thinking about these with your association or membership e-commerce platform. Ultimately, if you're thinking ahead and you're looking, 12 steps ahead, essentially, this is going to put you in the position where you can at least optimize and prioritize what capabilities you need to sequence first in your process of delivering more value to your members. The other thing that we'll point out in general is as best possible, if these screens and these presentations are consistent between the user themselves and the CSR rep, this is also going to just naturally help to make sure that they're able to communicate and speak the same language, as opposed to having different presentations that vary from each other enough that they're not going to be able to interact on the same exact page. With that said, this really ties heavily into user emulation and user impersonation, which we go into in another video in detail. Highly encourage you to take a look at that. With that said, thank you for watching this video, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.